lots of times business owners have questions about interns. In general, a lot of times businesses want to use interns because they think they can use them for free. You get an intern, you don't have to pay them. It's great, it's affordable, you can get someone to work. So, of course, it makes sense on the business side. The concern that businesses often overlook with interns is there are 6 criteria that have to be met in order for an intern to actually be an unpaid intern. Outside of that, you're going to have to pay them at least minimum wage, whatever the minimum wage in the state is where you're employing them. So there's a trap there that business owners fall into quite often. They bring on someone, call them an intern, where they don't meet the criteria for an actual intern, and they're not paying them, so they're opening themselves up to some liability there. The rule of thumb here, if you're going to bring on an intern, first make sure they fit within the 6 criteria if you're not going to pay them. If they don't, you're going to have to pay them at least minimum wage. So be sure you're aware of all those issues with interns if your business is looking at bringing someone.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.